Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. There's a saying that the month of March comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb. The first part of that saying can apply to the upcoming launch schedule, including those heading to the International Space Station. But first, we start with the undocking of the ISS Progress 89 cargo craft from the Vesda service module. That happened on Tuesday afternoon and cleared a docking port for the upcoming arrival of Progress 91 cargo craft.
3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the Progress 91 cargo ship on a delivery run to the International Space Station.
That craft launched on Thursday from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. You can see the arrival to the space station scheduled for Saturday on NASA Plus. Live coverage starts at 5:15 p.m. Eastern. The next crew rotations to the space station will happen soon with the launch of NASA's SpaceX Crew 10 mission from Florida and a Soyuz spacecraft from Baikonur. When those crews arrive, they will continue the scientific research that has spanned over 25 years of the orbiting laboratory. Some of the latest results from this research includes a process that improves our understanding of cement hardening, which could support innovations for civil engineering, construction, and manufacturing of materials on exploration missions. We're always investigating the ways in which the human body responds to microgravity. The cytoskeleton investigation is shedding light on cellular processes related to aging and could help in the development of countermeasures to maintain astronaut health and performance, and in turn, find its way into clinical medical research here on Earth. Over the years, scores of investigations and experiments have been hosted aboard the station by NASA and our international partners. We're learning how to effectively control light reflection for technologies that bend light. We're studying how bubbles could improve thermal cooling systems, and we're examining algorithms that could help to identify space debris, meteors, and asteroids. You can learn all about those and so much more. It's at your fingertips at nasa.gov/station results. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We leave you today aboard the space station with a short guided tour of the Kibo Laboratory. Enjoy!
So just to give you an example of one of the experiments that we've been working on with folks on the ground, these are called astrobees. So they actually can come off the wall and fly around. Huge opportunities for people to test out guidance navigation control on a quote-unquote spacecraft in microgravity inside here. So we have companies, universities, students all flying these astrobees around at different times. Some of them are actually even grabbing onto other satellites that other pieces that we might have floating around, and that might help us clean up space debris. We have a tray right here that does some combustion experiments, as well as over here we've got a couple little micro centrifuges over here that we have plants and animals in at times. Right on the other side of Butch is a glove box where we've done some stem cell research as well as DNA sequencing. And right behind us, where you saw in the beginning, there's an airlock where it can take payloads out of the space station, and then with the Japanese robotic arm, put it on a platform out there, and those could be Earth observation satellites, they could be launchers of other microsatellites, they could be doing all sorts of amazing stuff.